How to use Bitwarden Authenticator. Using Bitwarden Authenticator is like using any of the other authenticator apps as well. So under My Vault, as soon as you log in, you can tap on new login to be able to add a new service or account. So you can enter the authentication key, or you can set up using a QR code by tapping on this option called Setup Authenticator Key using a QR code provided by your merchant. After that, you'll be able to get the codes within it. You can go to send option to send information safely, generator option to generate password, passphrase or usernames. You can also go to the settings option here to basically customize your account security, where you can choose to export your details whatever you want. Go to autofill to check your autofill services, where you can import and export your vault settings as well, and the appearance of the app followed by other settings as well. And this way you should be able to use Bitwarden Authenticator like you use any of the other authenticator apps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.